Mon nom c'est John Messeja. En français, on dirait John Messager. Je suis un Togolais. Ma mère est ghanéenne. Je suis un artiste, chanteur, compositeur de la chanson chrétienne. Je suis ici pour me présenter pour la cause de Dieu. 6 years now. Actually, I started with secular rap in 2005 and 2010. I decided to move on gospel because God wants me to use this talent for His purpose. Some are not away, where the air you can find peace. I didn't choose to be a musician. I think I have influenced music and music decided to use me. I'm just following the process. In the next 5-10 years, I want to see myself doing the will of God fully and bring souls to Christ through my music. I believe in God because all good gifts come from God. And if I put my hope on God, and if He will, I think I can go far. Because if God control the world and the talent is from Him, and you always help me to make it. Jesus, show us the way. It is not a way. The melody and the message, when you feel sad and you are listening to a good music and with a message of hope, you feel comfort. I love those things. And when the melody is very good, it will attract you to listen to the message. So both things, I love them. When I wrote songs, it makes sense. I love that. But what makes me stress is when people think that it is me who are doing the things. But it's not me who are doing the things. The message is not from me, it's from God. I don't want people to put my eyes on me. I want them to put my eyes on God. It is free. You will never test again. You get freedom. You found peace. You need to get a cruiser. Piano, it's a little bit complicated, but I had to do more exercise. Training every day, and I'll make it. Don't give up. Better days coming. Darling, hold on. You'll get there very soon. So don't cry. Oh, don't cry. So don't cry. So don't cry. Sometimes we can fall. There are times we can force. Just pass, let it song over your silence. I know has been long. You are waiting for the moment. Just soon, very soon, you're gonna shine again. Don't give up. Better days coming. Darling, hold on. You'll get there very soon. So don't cry. Oh, don't cry. So don't cry. So don't cry. God is not dead. Keep faith in Him. His promises true shall come to pass. Pray every day. Keep faith in Him. Trust His words. His faithfulness never fails. Never fails. is coming. Darling, hold on. You'll get there very soon. So don't cry. 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 So don't